these with me. I'm in Shake Shack right now, so it's kind of loud, but I'm so excited to open it. Let's see who I really want this one. I think this is the only one I really want, but I don't mind any of them because they're just absolutely gorgeous. The packaging is so nice. So squished in. This is the one I wanted. Okay, let's see her name. This one is called the napkin. Next one. I got 2 eggs. Okay, next one, guys. So pretty. If anybody wants to buy those eggs off of me, please feel free to do so. This one is called the spoon warmer.